In today's world, organisations are more conscious of the operational impact they have on both the environment and the communities around them. At Mick George, we understand this, and with over 35 years' experience in waste management and recycling, we offer customers a fully verifiable 100% landfill diversion for their waste, helping them reduce costs, enhance their social and environmental profile, and comply with their current waste regulations.
We chose to use Mick George because they're a big part of the local community, and they provide a good service for us at Serpentine Green.
Mick George definitely understood our requirements as a football club. They really made it their business to understand exactly what we needed and have delivered on that.
When we first met with Mick George to discuss our requirements for waste, they were able to offer a zero to landfill straight away because this was something they were already doing. All of our waste is now passing through there and all the recyclates are taken out as far as possible, and whatever is left then goes for waste from energy. So they have met our expectations of the contract that we were hoping to have in by the end of the year at the very beginning. So we were really pleased with the way it's worked out for us.
From segregation and collection to recycling and reporting, we take the hassle out of the waste management process. The success behind our landfill diversion process is our deep understanding of waste components and our ability to separate and sort the material for recycling and recovery at our dedicated recycling centre in Cambridgeshire, which enables us to pass on savings to our clients. Welcome to the Mick George Recycling Centre. Allow us to demonstrate how it works. To begin with, waste is loaded onto a conveyor belt and transported into the recycling plant. Next, a vibrating screen separates the larger waste material and conveys it through one of our picking stations, where operatives pick out any unsuitable material before it reaches the shredder. The larger material is then shredded down and combined with the smaller material from the previous waste screen. The waste is then conveyed beneath an inline electromagnet, which removes any ferrous metals. At this point, the waste is then passed through a combi screen, which again uses vibrations to split the material according to size. Our density separator then removes heavy fraction material and sorts into light and mid fraction. An overband magnet is then used above the conveyor belt to once again pick out any remaining ferrous metals. The optical sorter then identifies and removes non-wood material. Before entering a final picking station, the waste is checked for any remaining contamination and non-wood items. Finally, operators manually sort waste according to component, recovering any material that is suitable for recycling, which is then passed to the baler. The material is then baled and transported for recycling. Any waste that can't be recovered from this process is used to produce a sustainable source of energy. At Mick George, we pride ourselves on offering our customers both an environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution for managing their waste.
We would recommend Mick George because they go above and beyond what we need.
Service we've received has been fantastic, and I'll have no hesitation whatsoever in recommending other businesses get involved with Mick George.
Well, I've been very impressed with the way Mick George have handled the contract.
For an environmentally friendly landfill diversion, call 0800 587 3329 or visit our website mickgeorge.co.uk.